Hi guys, good morning to all of you. Today you are welcome to my channel of Smart Polist. I am Polist. So I am today talking about assignment problem of Hungarian methods. This is also known as Hungarian method for solving assignment problem. This problem is taken from Operation Research Board of S. Sharma of page number 322. See, I not given the total or complete problems. I given only the questions what we should have to do. So in the very upper, see there is a bidders amounts and the bidders. There are 5 bidders and the bidders amounts is respectively of this ones, and the bidders amount is triple followed by the triple zero. So we have to assign bidders in the bidders amounts, so for optimal conditions. How can do that? So for the very first steps, what you find or what we'll do first, that first step is find the minimum in each row. So there is each row 5 rows, so each of the rows has a minimum. For first rows the minimum is 25, second row 22, and this one's all the rows have the minimum, and the minimum value is subtracted from all the element of the particular rows. So this one is 25, 25 is subtracted from all the values, 22 is subtracted from all the values. This way we do, or we create a second tables, which is also known as a reduced table for row, because we do operation first for row. So see, in reduced table for row, it is the reduced table of the second table. How we do this? See, in the very first case 25 is the smallest element and 25 is subtracted from each of these, then we get this one. Each in the second row 22 is the second, 22 is the lowest, so 22 is subtracted from all the values of this row, so then we get this row. This way we do the table or create the table of the second as for first step. This is also known as reduced table for row. Then we have to do the second step. Second step is nothing. Second step is find the minimum in each column wise and subtract it, this one, from all the values of the particular column. Okay, whatever we do in row wise in the previous, here we do this operation or the same operation in column wise, and we create a new table, or we get a new table. This table is known as reduced table for column. So go for that. Suppose in the very first column minimum is 0, so 0 is subtracted from all the values, so all the values will be remaining will be same. Okay, so do for this. Now see, we already done the single table. Okay, it was my saving table. How I can get these tables? I see all told subtracted the smallest values for each column of the all element of this particular columns. And if I look around for this month, so smallest element is 0, so 0 is subtracted from all the values, so it will be remaining will be unchanged. See it very carefully. In step 1, when you do the reduced table for row, you will get at least 1 0 in each row wise. Okay, now there is no need to go for the second step, I mean to reduce table for column. You can assign in the very first steps. Then there is a conditions. If the condition is satisfied, then you no need to go for the second table, I mean to reduce table for column. What will be the condition? What is the condition? The condition is that if you will get at least 1 0 in every column, then do assignment there. What is the, if you get at least 1 0 in each column, then no need to go for the second step. you can do assignment for the first table. See, in my table, first column has 0, second column have no 0, there is no 0. That's why we go for the second table. So it is our reduced table for column. Now do the assignment for that. How you can assign for that? So find the 0, only single 0 in row wise, okay, and do assignment there. So there is a 0 to assign here. When you do assign here in row wise, if it is assigned here, then this column, if in this column there is, if any 0 is exist, so cut the 0, okay. Now find the second row, there is a 2 0. We find only the single 0 in row wise, so there is a single 0, so assigned is here. When it is assigned is here, cut the all zeros in this particular column, cut this 0, okay. Now for the fourth row, there is a 2 0, after cancellation 1 0, so we avoid this. Now fifth row has particularly single 0, so to assignment here. When you assignment here, if there is any 0, cut. For there is no 0, so no cut. Now say in column wise, where is the only without cancellation single 0, do allocation there. Here is the single 0, do allocation here, and cut the 0. If any 0 is lies on this row, there is no 0, so not possible. Now for the third column, there is only single 0, so allocation here is, and cut all the zeros in these rows. There is no 0, it is already cut, so no need to cut again. Now there is a 0 in this fourth column, no. There is a 0 in the fifth column, no. Any 0 is left, no. The number of allocation 1 2 3 4 5. So see, we have 5 periods, and there is a properly 5 allocations, so it is our optimal solutions, okay. So what is the optimal solutions for this bidder 3? For bidder 3, bidder amount will be this one, allocation will be 1. For one bidder 1 bidders allocation will be 5, bidder 2 allocation will be 2, bidder 3 allocation will be 1, and bidder 4 will be allocation of 3, and bidder 5 allocation will be 4. And write this, and write the corresponding cost of this, having the value. Now see, for bidder 1 assigned here, bidder 2 assigned here, bidder 3 assigned here, bidder 4 assigned here, bidder 5 assigned here. Now fairly write this one. Bidder 1 bid amount 5, bidder 2 bid amount 2, bidder 3 bid amount 1, and bidder 4 bid amount 3, and bidder 5 bid amount 4, bidder 5 bid amount 4. So what is the bid amounts from here? See, for this 5, what is the amount is 25, so write 25. For this case, this one is 29, so write 29s. Now the total amount is 155, and we very first say that the bid amount is leading by 000, so the total bid amount 155,000 rupees. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, if you have any query, feel free for ask me, and write the comments in my comment below, and please subscribe my channels and like my videos for more and more updates. If you have need for the MATLAB code for solving the Hungarian problem, so follow my videos of later updations, okay, latest updation video where I can upload you in free access of MATLAB code for solving the Hungarian methods. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.